Namaste everyone, respected principal, vice principal, teachers, parents and my dear friends. Warm greetings to everyone. This year has proved to us that our limitations are only our imaginations, as each one of us has overcome the difficulties sent by the pandemic and has emerged even more stronger. When the pandemic stopped us from meeting our friends, we defeated it by having virtual classes and celebrations. Again, another beautiful day has arrived that we have been eagerly waiting for. Want to know why? We, the students of Class 1B, proudly present before you the Talents Day 2021. I'm sure you will all enjoy our WhatsApp tour of our motherland India as much as we enjoy creating it. Let us first hear from our respected principal, Suresh sir.
Namaste to all of you. So I am very much delighted to note that your class is organizing a virtual Talents Day. I have seen few of the video clips you have already sent to the class teacher. I think each of the clips are very much impressive, and that shows the hidden talents in each one of you. So as a school, we are very much fortunate that we got a very culturally oriented the students and a very good parental community. So your parents are taking, I know, too much pain even during this pandemic period to make all of you happy and to make all of you involved in the activities which you like to promote in your life. So these small videos are the clear examples of your hidden talents. I appreciate all the hard work taken by our parental community and each one of you for making this Talents Day a grand one. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Suresh sir, for your encouraging words. Now let me welcome our special guest. I feel extremely honored to introduce the guest of today, Lieutenant Colonel Samuel Kurian. He served in 1 engineers with the Indian Army for 24 years. He got the opportunity to work with all sections of armed forces across the country. His major achievements include he was instrumental in nuclear bomb testing and program. He was tasked with operational capability of athletes during Kargil War. He also worked in Asia's first covered dry route. I welcome him for the session and let's hear from him.
Thank you for the introduction. I thank the school authorities, teachers, parents and students for giving me this wonderful opportunity. During the brief span of my service, I was fortunate to travel and live in various parts of our nation. You get mesmerized with the beautiful nature we have in our country. The mighty Himalayan mountains, the gorgeous valleys of Kashmir, the dense forest of Meghalaya, the sandy beaches in the east, west and the south. I saw diverse religions, culture, dress, food in all these places, but I could also feel a sense of unity among the people. Yes, that's our India, with unity in diversity, which is the true essence that makes our country a great nation. You all should travel, explore and learn about our country to understand how lucky we all are to be born in this country. In the army, we learn to share what we have with others. We learn to love and support our colleagues. We learn to defend our nation together at any cost. We understood that we all Indians are one. My dear children, I request you all to love and support your friends, to share, play and learn together, to grow and succeed together. I got an opportunity to be part of important projects in different parts of our country and took up every responsibility with great pride and pleasure. You should also execute all your duties as a responsible citizen and contribute to the growth and well-being of our country. I wish each one of you good luck for all your future endeavors. Looking forward to seeing you all performing in Talents Day celebration. All the best. Jai Hind.
Thank you, sir, for your inspiring words. Come, let's enjoy the magnificent work done by the blooming buds of one bee. I once again welcome you all to this cultural extravaganza. Thank you.
रघुपति राघव राजा राम, पतित पावन सीताराम।
Namaste everyone, I am मोहनदास करमचंद गांधी। लोग मुझे प्यार से बापू या गांधी जी बुलाते हैं। I am honored to be called as father of the nation. I was fortunate to give my whole life to the service of our nation. I was born on 2nd October 1869 in Porbandar, Gujarat. My father was Karamchand Gandhi and my mother was Putlibai. My wife's name is Kasturba Gandhi and I have 4 sons. I was a lawyer by profession. Did you know the India we see today was not like this years back? We were under British rule for 200 years. The whole nation stood with freedom fight leaders to gain our independence in 1947. Do you know we celebrate our Independence Day on 15th August every year? I followed 6 principles in my life. They are truth, non-violence, vegetarianism, brahmacharya, simplicity and faith. My life is my message. You can get to know more about me in my autobiography, the story of my experiments with truth. This is my charka and I used it to spin cotton for my dress. Now, let me tell you something more about our India. India is now the 7th largest country and the biggest democratic nation in the world. India is one of the best countries in the world for many reasons. It has a very diverse culture, yet we are united and has closely bonded family culture. Our landscapes, seasons and food habits are also very diverse. Our country has 28 states and 8 union territories. There are 22 languages in India including Sanskrit. The union territories are Jammu and Kashmir, Ladakh, Delhi and Chandigarh in the north, Andaman and Nicobar Islands in the east, Lakshadweep and Puducherry in the south, Dadar and Nagar Haveli and Daman and Diu in the west. Now, some of our freedom fighters, renowned personalities and some natives will join me to take you on a tour of our motherland India through our beautiful states. Vande Mataram. India. My father's name is Motilal Nehru. My mother's name is Swaroop Rani. I love children very much. Children call me Chachaji. My favorite flower is rose. To be successful in life, what you need is education. I belong to the northern part of India. The North Indian states are Himachal Pradesh, Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, Uttarakhand, and the Union Territories of Delhi, Chandigarh, Jammu and Kashmir, and Ladakh. The languages spoken are Hindi, Urdu, Punjabi, and English. North India state is famous for its festivals, food, monuments, places of worship, and art forms. My aim is to make India a modern and civilized country. We must stay united, always aim towards progress of our country. Jai Hind. Now my brother will speak about Himachal Pradesh.
Namaste. My state is famous for its handicraft. Its capital city is Shimla. Local music and dance reflect our cultural identity of the state. Let me sing one of the famous songs. ये नी मेरी शिमले दिरा है चंबा कितनी दूर माये नी मेरी शिमले दिरा है चंबा कितनी दूर शिमले निवसना कसोळे निवसना हाँ शिमले निवसना कसोळे निवसना चंबे जारा जरूर है चंबे जारा जरूर माये नी मेरी शिमले दिरा है चंबा कितनी दूर लाइया मुहब्बता दूरे जराची हो लाइया मुहब्बता दूरे जराची अखियां तू ना कुसूर है अखियां तू ना कुसूर माये नी मेरी शिमले दिरा है चंबा कितनी दूर चंबा कितनी दूर चंबा कितनी दूर Hope you had fun listening to my song. Let me take you to my neighboring state Punjab.
एक ओंकार सतनाम करता पुरख निरभव निर्वैर अकाल मूरत अजूनी सैभव
Namaste. Welcome to Punjab, the land of five rivers. Chandigarh is the capital city of Punjab. The famous Golden Temple is situated in Punjab. Punjab is also known as the Granary of India because of the huge production of food crops. Bhangra and Gita are forms of dance and music that originated in Punjab. Bhangra dance
ਅੱਖ ਬਾਜ ਨਾਲੋਂ ਤੇਜ਼ ਦੱਸ ਸਾਡੇ ਮੂਰੇ ਕਿਹੜਾ ਖੰਗ ਜਾਊ 1 ਕਰੋੜ ਦਾ ਤੇ 70 ਦਾ ਟੱਕ ਦੱਸ ਪੈਸਾ ਫੇਰ ਕਿੱਥੋਂ ਕੱਟ ਜਾਊ ਸੁਰਗਾਂ 'ਚ ਪੈਰ ਹੁਣ ਪੈ ਗਏ ਜੱਟ ਦੇ ਨਹੀਂ ਦੇਖੀ ਰੱਬ ਬਿਨਾ ਕਿਹੜਾ ਥੱਲੇ ਲਾਊ ਥੱਲੇ ਮੇਰੇ ਰੇਂਜ ਅੱਖ ਬਾਜ ਨਾਲੋਂ ਤੇਜ਼ ਦੱਸ ਸਾਡੇ ਮੂਰੇ ਕਿਹੜਾ ਖੰਗ ਜਾਊ 1 ਕਰੋੜ ਦਾ ਤੇ 70 ਦਾ ਟੱਕ ਦੱਸ ਪੈਸਾ ਫੇਰ ਕਿੱਥੋਂ ਕੱਟ ਜਾਊ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਗੱਲ ਹੋਰ ਸੀ ਬੁਲਾਇਆ ਨਹੀਂ ਸੀ ਬੋਲਦੀ ਮੂੰਹ ਤੇ ਰੱਖੇ ਹੱਥ ਲੰਗੇ ਔੜੀ ਜਦੋਂ ਕੋਲਦੀ ਮੂੰਹ ਤੇ ਰੱਖੇ ਹੱਥ ਲੰਗੇ ਔੜੀ ਜਦੋਂ ਕੋਲਦੀ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਸੀ ਗਰੀਬੀ ਦੌਰ ਹੁਣ ਆਇਆ ਸਮਾਂ ਹੋਰ ਹੁਣ ਕਿੱਥੋਂ ਰਹਿ ਗਿਆ ਮੈਂ ਸਾਊ ਸਾਲ 21ਵੇਂ ਦਾ ਜ਼ੋਰ ਮੇਰੇ ਡੱਬ ਬੱਤੀ ਬੋਰ ਸਾਰੇ ਡਰਦੇ ਨੇ ਕਿਹੜਾ ਹੱਥ ਪਾਊ ਸੁਰਗਾਂ 'ਚ ਪੈਰ ਹੁਣ ਪੈ ਗਏ ਜੱਟ ਦੇ ਨਹੀਂ ਦੇਖੀ ਰੱਬ ਬਿਨਾ ਕਿਹੜਾ ਥੱਲੇ ਲਾਊ ਥੱਲੇ ਮੇਰੇ ਰੇਂਜ ਅੱਖ ਬਾਜ ਨਾਲੋਂ ਤੇਜ਼ ਦੱਸ ਸਾਡੇ ਮੂਰੇ ਕਿਹੜਾ ਖੰਗ ਜਾਊ 1 ਕਰੋੜ ਦਾ ਤੇ 70 ਦਾ ਟੱਕ ਦੱਸ ਪੈਸਾ ਫੇਰ ਕਿੱਥੋਂ ਕੱਟ ਜਾਊ ਕਾਤੋਂ ਪਿਆਰ ਪਾਵਾਂ ਮੈਂ ਪਿੱਛੇ ਕੁੜੀਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਲਾਵਾਂ ਮੈਂ ਰਾਂਝੇ ਵਾਂਗੂ ਕਿਸੇ ਪਿੱਛੇ ਕਿਉਂ ਮੱਝੀਆਂ ਚਰਾਵਾਂ ਮੈਂ ਰੌਣਕੀ ਸੁਭਾਅ ਦਾ ਜਾਨ ਮਰਿਆਂ ਚ ਪਾਵਾਂ ਜੱਟ ਕੋਲਾਂ ਤੋਂ ਪਾਣੀ ਚਾੜ ਦਊ ਕਾਤੋਂ ਕਿਸੇ ਪਿੱਛੇ ਜਾਵਾਂ ਐਵੇਂ ਗੇੜੀਆਂ ਮੈਂ ਲਾਵਾਂ ਜਿਹਨੂੰ ਲੋੜ ਹੋਊ ਆਪੇ ਪਿੱਛੇ ਆਊ ਸੁਰਗਾਂ 'ਚ ਪੈਰ ਹੁਣ ਪੈ ਗਏ ਜੱਟ ਦੇ ਨਹੀਂ ਦੇਖੀ ਰੱਬ ਬਿਨਾ ਕਿਹੜਾ ਥੱਲੇ ਲਾਊ ਥੱਲੇ ਮੇਰੇ ਰੇਂਜ ਅੱਖ ਬਾਜ ਨਾਲੋਂ ਤੇਜ਼ ਦੱਸ ਸਾਡੇ ਮੂਰੇ ਕਿਹੜਾ ਖੰਗ ਜਾਊ 1 ਕਰੋੜ ਦਾ ਤੇ 70 ਦਾ ਟੱਕ ਦੱਸ ਪੈਸਾ ਫੇਰ ਕਿੱਥੋਂ ਕੱਟ ਜਾਊ
Hope you enjoyed the Bhangra dance. Let us go to Haryana. Namaste. I am Susama Swaraj, born in Haryana, an Indian politician and a Supreme Court lawyer. Served as the External Affairs Minister of India. Also served as the Chief Minister of Delhi. Country honors me with Padma Vibhushan. A leader is not born of the blue. You are to know the pulse of the people. You are to relay yourself with them. Then only one become leader. Now let's meet native of Haryana. Jai Hind. Namaste to all. And I am a native of Haryana. Capital of Haryana is Chandigarh. We love farming and official language is Hindi. Now I am going to sing a song to you all. हम होंगे कामयाब, हम होंगे कामयाब, हम होंगे कामयाब एक दिन। है मन में है विश्वास, पूरा है विश्वास, हम होंगे कामयाब एक दिन। हम होंगे चरोर और होगी शांति चरोर, होगी शांति चरोर और एक दिन हम होंगे कामयाब, हम होंगे कामयाब एक दिन। मन में है विश्वास, पूरा है विश्वास, हम होंगे कामयाब एक दिन। I hope you all like my song. Now I am going to introduce my neighboring state, Uttarakhand. They have lots of temples and like Rishikesh. And they love farming too. It takes you to the national capital, Delhi.
सूरज की बाहों में अब है ये जिंदगी, किरणें हैं सांसों में, बातों में रोशनी। सूरज की बाहों में अब है ये जिंदगी, किरणें हैं सांसों में, बातों में रोशनी।
Namaste all. I am Indira Gandhi, the first Lady Prime Minister of India. I am daughter of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. I am very excited to introduce our national capital, New Delhi. New Delhi is famous for India Gate, Red Fort, Lotus Temple, etc. Now let's go to the Uttar Pradesh. I am Manjit Pandey, the first freedom fighter of India. We will fight everything. This revolution is blood. Let it be mine. Let me introduce you my birthplace, UP. The national capital, which is famous for Kumbh Mela. Agra Fort and Taj Mahal are in UP. UP is the city of Kedah, Buddha and Akbar. Jai Hind. Thank you. Namaste. I am Dr. Rajendra Prasad. I am the first president of India. I was born on 8 December 1889. I am freedom fighter and political leader of Indian Congress. Is for freedom, true independence. Woman is honoring Bharat Ratna. People is known as public love. East part of India has a strong ethnic, cultural and tourist region consists of Bihar, Jharkhand, Odisha and West Bengal, and the onshore Union Territory owns the Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Northeast India is famous for its scenic beauty and western music. It covers the 8 states: Andhra Pradesh, Assam, Manipur, Meghalaya, Assam, Mizoram, Nagaland, Sikkim and Tripura. Now let me take you to Assam.
খিৰখিৰাই গ'ল মই নাজানো দেহা খিৰখিৰাই গ'ল মই নাজানো পেটলৈ ভাত নোযোৱা পেটলৈ ভাত নোযোৱা ঐ কিনো হাঁহিতিৰে মহিলা ঐ নুবুজা সাঁথৰ হ'ল মই নাজানো নুবুজা সাঁথৰ হ'ল মই নাজানো নোকোৱাকৈ মনৰ কথা নোকোৱাকৈ মনৰে কথা ঐ কিনো চাৱনিৰে চালাম কৈ দেহা খিৰখিৰাই গ'ল মই নাজানো দেহা খিৰখিৰাই গ'ল মই নাজানো পেটলৈ ভাত নোযোৱা পেটলৈ ভাত নোযোৱা
Hope you all enjoy our recording. Now let me introduce you to Arunachal Pradesh and Nagaland. Capital of Arunachal Pradesh is Itanagar. It is known as India's land of rising sun. Nagaland is Kohima. Now let me allude to Manipur. I am Mary Kom, 6-time world champion in boxing. I am the member of Rajya Sabha. I got Padma Vibhushan, Padma Bhushan, Padma Shri, Arjuna Award. I am the ambassador of Northeastern States of India. I am from Manipur. Imphal is the capital of Manipur. The word Manipur means jewel town. Manipuri dance Jagoi is very famous. Tripura, Mizoram and Meghalaya are my neighboring states. Shillong is the capital of Meghalaya. Meghalaya means house of clouds. Agartala is the capital of Tripura. Tripura means three towns. Aizawl is the capital of Mizoram. Mizoram has second place in literacy. These states are rich in natural beauty. Now my friend is ready from Sikkim.
Everyone, I'm Baijum Bhutia. I'm an Indian football player who played as a striker. I was born in Sikkim. Do you know the capital of Sikkim? It's Gangtok. Sikkim is a northeast state and one of its neighbors is West Bengal. Let's go visit West Bengal.
I'm Mother Teresa. I always wanted to live a religious life since my childhood. I was deeply moved by the pain and difficulties of the people living in the slums of Calcutta. By helping them, I could serve God. West Bengal is a state in eastern India between Himalaya and Bay of Bengal. Its capital is Kolkata. It is the fourth most populous state in India. Rabindranath Tagore is a famous Bengali poet. He won the Nobel Prize for Literature. He composed Jana Gana Mana. Now let us listen to Rabindra Sangeet also known as skateboard songs.
यदि तेरा रिक्शा क्यों ना शी तबे एक न चलो रे यदि तेरा रिक्शा क्यों ना शी तबे एक न चलो रे
যদি তোর ডেকশুনে কেউ না আসে তু বেগ লাগালো রে যদি তোর ডেকশুনে কেউ না আসে তু বেগ লাগালো রে তবে একিলে চলো একিলে চলো একিলে চলো রে যদি সবাই তাকে মুক্তি দেয় সবাই করে বই যদি সবাই তাকে মুক্তি দেয় সবাই করে বই তবে পড়া না করে ও তুই মুখ ফুটে তোর মনের কথা এগিয়ে বলো রে যদি তোর ডাক শুনে কেউ না আসে তবে এগিয়ে চলো রে Now let's visit our friend in BR. I am a native of Bihar. Bihar is the place of Buddhism. It is home to many old universities. Patna is the capital of Bihar. Now let me a famous Bihari sweet Malpua. We need some milk, coconut, dry fruits, bananas, sugar and flour. First, mix all these and keep aside for 1 hour. Now the mix is ready. Pour this on a heated tawa. Cook on what size? My malpua is ready. Now dip it in sugar syrup called stacini. Let me share some with you. Yes. Now this is jugging. Mahendra Singh Dhoni, a former Indian cricket team captain from 2007 to 2016. Under my captaincy, Indian team won the first T20 World Cup, 2011 World Cup and 2 Asian Cups. I am one of the highest run scorers in ODIs. I am fondly called as Captain Cool and Mystique. I have been awarded Padma Shri and Padma Bhushan. I would like to introduce you to my native state, Jharkhand. It is one of the beautiful states in eastern India. It's known for its waterfalls, elegant Jain temples of Parshvanath Hill, and the elephants and tigers of Badla National Park. Capital of Jharkhand is Ranchi. Jharkhand has many more attractions. I hope you will visit here with your family. Now, let me take you to the neighboring state, Odisha. These words are by me. I was born on 23rd January 1897. I was also known as a Nedalji. I started expressing my thoughts, friend of people, and through a newspaper that newspaper called Swaraj. I am born on a reputed family in Cuttack, Odisha. Odisha is located in eastern India and it is 8th largest state. Durga Puja is most important festival in Odisha. The capital of Odisha is Bhubaneswar. I would also like to introduce my neighboring state, Chhattisgarh. Chhattisgarh is heavily forest state in India. The capital of Chhattisgarh is Raipur. Jai Hind. Namaste. Hope you are going to sofa. I am Ramaraj Kovind, President of India. I am a lawyer. I say from Uttar Pradesh. Let me have go through South India. In South India we have Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Telangana and 3 union territories. Let's see more about Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. Let's welcome PV Sindhu. Namaste all. My name is PV Sindhu. I am from Hyderabad. You all heard about me. I am an Indian professional badminton player. I was born on July 5, 1995 and my parents were volleyball players at the national level. I won medals at multiple tournaments including Olympic and on BWS circuit including gold in year 2019. I was honored with Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna, Padma Shri and Padma Bhushan awards. I am the first Indian to become a badminton world champion and the first Indian woman to earn a Olympic silver medal. Now about my state, Telangana. The cultural hearts of Telangana, the cities Hyderabad and Warangal, renowned historical structures like Charminar, Qutub Shahi Grounds and Thousand Pillar Temple. The major cultural events celebrated are the Kar Festival and Kakatiya Festival along with Dasara, Bonalu, etc. For me, Telangana was the part of Andhra Pradesh. In year 2014, some area was separated from north to western part of Andhra Pradesh as newly formed state called
Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, missile man of India. I worked on 2 missiles, Andi and Prithvi. I am 11th President of India. I am from Tamil Nadu. Chennai is the capital of Tamil Nadu. It has many beaches and temples. Pongal is the main festival. Night is the main food. It is the Sambar Ratham on the 3rd. People speak Tamil and Hindi. Bharatanatyam is the famous dance from Tamil Nadu. 2 more famous persons from Tamil Nadu. If you fail, never give up. Fail means first attempt in learning. Keep trying. Thank you. Can you watch amazing Bharatanatyam from Tamil Nadu?
సదా నన్ను నడిపే నీ చెలిమే పూదారై నిలిచే ప్రతి మలుపు ఇకపై స్వాగతమై నా పేరే పిలిచే ఇదే కోరుకున్నా ఇదే కోరుకున్నా అని నేడే తెలిసే కాలం నతించదా నీతో జతై ప్రాణం సుమించదా నీ కోసమై కాలం నతించదా నీతో జతై నదికి వరదల్లే మదికి పరవళ్ళే వెలుపు ఎప్పుడు వదిలిందో చురుకు ఎప్పుడు పెరిగిందో తలపు తొలి సల్లే కనుము హరివెల్లే వయసు ఎప్పుడు కదిలిందో సొగసు ఎప్పుడు మెరిసిందో గమనించేలోగా గమకించే రాగాన ఏదో వీణ లోన మోగెన కాలం నతించదా నీతో జతై ప్రాణం సుమించదా నీ కోసమై కాలం నతించదా నీతో జతై
Hope you enjoyed the dance performance. Let us see what is in Kerala.
മുടിതാളം കളിയാടും നാടേ നിൻ തുഞ്ചത്ത് മുത്തോളം മുകിലോളം മലയാളം പാടും നിൻ തീരത്ത് പൂപ്പൊലിപ്പാട്ടീണം മൈലാഞ്ചി പാട്ടിനഴകൊടു കൂട്ടുകൂടും നേരം നല്ലോണം നമ്മൾ കോണം
മിന്നൽ പൂരം തുടിതാളം മഴയുടെ മേളം നീണ്ടു നിൽക്കും നരവനതാളം
I was a philosopher, spiritual reader, social reformer. I was born on 28 August 1855 in Kerala. I worked towards promoting spiritual culture and social equality. My philosophy is one caste, one religion, one God for all. Let's meet a native of Kerala. Thank you. Kerala is my state. Trivandrum is capital of Kerala. Kerala is known as God's own country. It's famous in Kathakali, Kalaripayattu, Carnatic music, Mohiniyattam, etc. Now I am going to perform a small piece of Carnatic music for you. Sridhara Madhava Govinda Padasarojam Kaitodunne Mamava Manasa Mukuram Tannil Kananaminnum Bhagavane Sridhara Madhava Govinda Nin Padasarojam Kaitodunne Palayamam Palayamam Gita Lolupa Gopala Ponnudakudal Yendiya Ninmel Kananaminnum Bhagavane Sridhara Madhava Govinda Nin Padasarojam Kaitodunne Kaikoopunne Nin Malaradil Padaga Bharamudippanai Kanuvadellam Ninnude Maya Jalamadellam Gopala Sridhara Madhava Govinda Nin Padasarojam Kaitodunne. Today I am going to cook an authentic and traditional Kerala food called elada. You can take this for breakfast or evening snack. The main ingredients are rice flour, jaggery, coconut, lychee, salt. Now I am going to mix rice flour, salt with hot water and make a soft dough. Now I am going to mix coconut, jaggery, elaichi and mix it like this. Spread the dough on the banana leaf and put jaggery mix. Now fold it like this. Now put it in a steamer and cook for 20 minutes. Our elada is ready. You try it once. It is really yummy and healthy. Thank you. I hope you enjoyed my performance. Do you know Chenda is a famous percussion instrument of Kerala? Now my friends are going to perform Chenda and the music for you. Rajini Bharadam Kamavedi Bharadam Nammalanjana Godide Ammayagya Bharadam Janmakadini Bharadam Kamamedini Bharadam. Thank you. Hope you enjoyed Chanda performance. Let's try to Karnataka. Hi everybody, I am Aishwarya Rai Bachchan. I am an Indian actress and winner of Miss World 1994. I have received many awards and honored with Padma Shri by Government of India in 2009. I have been cited as the most beautiful woman in the world. In 2004, I created Aishwarya Rai Foundation to help poor people in India. In 2012, I became International Goodwill Ambassador for UNICEF. I was born on 1st November 1973 in Karnataka. Karnataka is state in South India. Bangalore is the capital. Mysore is famous for temples and Mysore Palace. Karnataka has lots of national parks and waterfall. It is very beautiful state in India. Thank you. मेरे प्यारे देशवासियों, आप सबको मेरा नमस्कार। मैं नरेंद्र दामोदर दास मोदी, the current and 14th Prime Minister of India. Hope all of you are doing good and staying safe. Friends, in these tough times, I urge you to work harder and dream big. Your success can push India to heights. Today, I will walk you through the western states of India. I was born in Gujarat, the westernmost state of our country. The other western states include Rajasthan, the land of kings, Madhya Pradesh, the heart of India, Maharashtra with Mumbai, financial and commercial hub of a country, and Goa, stands for A. Woven for some. Let's enjoy.
All enjoy our Goan dance. Now let us go to Maharashtra.
Namaste all. My name is Pratibha Patil. I am the first woman president in India in the year 2007 to 2012. I am from Maharashtra. It's a state in western region of India. Mumbai is the capital city of Maharashtra and it is the second popular state in India. Bhal puri, vada pav, pav bhaji, pani puri are popular snacks in Maharashtra. Ganesh Chaturthi is the most popular festival. Now let me show you one of the Marathi dance.
दुनिया झकास हे तुमचा उद्दास का आमच्यात या जरा आता ना लाजता डोळे उघडा पहा डेंजर आहे हवा दंगा करा जरा आता ना माजता दुनिया झकास हे तुमचा उद्दास का आमच्यात या जरा आता ना लाजता डोळे उघडा पहा डेंजर आहे हवा दंगा करा जरा आता ना माजता ओ शिट
Hope you all enjoyed the dance. state, Gujarat. Today we are here to perform a Garba dance. Garba is the dance form of Gujarat. The capital of Gujarat is Gandhinagar. The language spoken is Gujarati. So let's move on to Chagadataya.
અને ભૂલો બધી વાત પ્રેમની આ મૌસમ છે अब आओ मेरे पास रह जाओ मेरे साथ प्रेमनी आ मौसम छे होई गई रात અને ભૂલો બધી વાત પ્રેમની આ मौसम छे अब आओ मेरे पास रह जाओ मेरे साथ प्रेमनी आ मौसम छे मुझको अगर साथ तेरा तो भूलूं मैं सारा जहां छोगाड़ा तारा छबीला तारा रंगीला तारा रंग बेर जुए तारी बात छोगाड़ा तारा ओए छबीला तारा ओए रंगीला तारा रंग बेर जुए तारी बात रे छोगाड़ा तारा छबीला तारा ओए रंगीला तारा रंग बेर जुए तारी बात रे
Enjoy our performance. So let's go to this neighboring state, Rajasthan. अगेनी कम्मा गणे राम राम सा मैं हूँ राजस्थान का नाटक चौरा पधारा हमारा देश राजस्थान राजस्थान लैंड ऑफ किंग्स is the largest state of India. Capital Rajasthan is Jaipur. Prime attractions of Rajasthan are Tarsal, Hama Mahal, Mount Abu, Moor dance and Kalneria dance. One of my friends, who is also a native of Rajasthan, will be performing famous Rajasthan Groma dance for you. Thank you. Madhya Pradesh. Namaste to all. I am B.R. Ambedkar. I was also known as Baba Sahib Ambedkar. My full name is Bhimrao Ramji Ambedkar. I was born on 14 April 1891 in Mo village in Madhya Pradesh. Madhya Pradesh is called Heart of India. The capital city of Madhya Pradesh is Bhopal. Madhya Pradesh is famous for Khajuraho temples. I was the first Minister of Law and Justice of India. I was the architect of Constitution of India and I got Bharat Ratna. Jai Bharat. Please join me to enjoy the Young and Vibrant spirit of India. Thank you.
यहाँ अपनी भी थोड़ी अता थोड़ा अंदाज ऐसे हैं चाहे वैसे हैं अरे जो भी है जैसे हैं तुम पे हम नाज ना हमको ये जमाना चाहो तो हमको आसमाना कहते हैं हमको प्यार से इंडिया वाले छूटे दिल के हार से इंडिया वाले छिपले हार से इंडिया वाले दुश्मन के छक्के छुड़ा दे हम इंडिया वाले दुश्मन के छक्के छुड़ा दे हम इंडिया वाले
I hope you all enjoyed the tour of India. It is very interesting, isn't it? As you all know, India is very beautiful with diverse landscapes from the snowy Himalayas to the Indian Ocean and from Thar Desert to dense forest in Northeast. Unity in diversity is what we have believed and followed from a long time. As Bharat Mata, I would like all my children to live in peace and harmony and work towards the progress of this great nation. Jai Hind. India has many national symbols. These symbols have been chosen from India's unique flora and fauna, culture and heritage. Let's have a look at our national symbols. This is our national flag. This is the national emblem of India. This is our national pledge. Jana Gana Mana, the national anthem of India. Ganga, our national river. Vande Mataram, the national song of India. Lotus, our national flower. Mango, the national fruit of India. Indian banyan tree, our national tree. Royal Bengal tiger, our national animal. Ganga river dolphin, our national aquatic animal. Indian peacock, the national bird of India. Indian rupee, our national currency. Sakka calendar, our national calendar of India. King cobra, our national reptile. Indian elephant, the national heritage animal of India. Now, please rise for the national anthem.
Namaste and greetings to everyone. I am Adal Jidin of class 1B. It is my pleasure to thank and acknowledge the contribution of those who have worked really hard to make this Talents Day 2021 a huge success. On behalf of the students of class 1B, I extend my sincere thanks to our principal, C.K. Suresh sir, and Vice Principal Srimati Jyoti ma'am. Primary Coordinator Srimati Beena and ma'am. Teachers and parents for your endless support and encouragement to make this event a resounding success. Thank you sir and ma'am. Thank you teachers and parents. Once again thank you all and looking forward to seeing you all at Adarsha the next academic year. Stay safe. Thank you.